All right, here we go, y'all. We got the WOWTK store. This is the passenger frame slider. It doubles as passenger pegs. I had the stock Harley ones here. They bolted right there. The problem is they were too low for my son to ride on the back with me, and the other one actually came out between the mufflers here. These ones that I got from Amazon will actually be above the exhaust up here, so he can actually put his feet on it. Fairly inexpensive. They're like $100. I'll go ahead and show you guys and we'll get them put on. This little box they came in, so let's go ahead and get them on out. And boom. So kind of high quality. The paint's pretty nice. Some nice looking welds, it looks like. So you know, I think it's pretty good for $100. Looks like these are replaceable. You know, they double as pegs, but also protecting your bike. Here's the hardware it came with. Seems pretty simple to install, so we'll go ahead and get that done. Also forgot to mention, the link will be below, so you go ahead and find these for the 22 Lowrider S. I think it fits the other models as well. Okay, one thing, the box doesn't come with any instructions, but this is where the other stock Harley passenger peg mounted to, so I'm pretty sure we just got to get in these two. To take this out, you just need a flathead screwdriver. Just kind of stick it in there and twist and pull it on out. So I'll go ahead and grab the parts so we can throw it on. All right, and then you kind of have this, the one that's a C-shaped. The other side has an entire hole. So this goes on the left side of the bike where your clutch is, and as you can see right here, it's like it just goes right on there. You line up the holes and it goes around that bolt there. So we'll go ahead and get it on. It fits perfectly right there. Got it all tightened down. You kind of want to, when you tighten it, do a little bit at each time, only because you want it to evenly get on there. But got this side done. Just got to put the little plastic peg on. All right, y'all, repeat same thing on this side. Take out this plastic bolt and get the other piece on. You can see right here, right there is where the other one will bolt to. Now, I don't know if the exhaust is going to be in the way. I guess we shall see. But we got to get this plastic screw out, and then we go into that and there. Y'all, this thing does not want to come out. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. Here's the other side, and looks like it needs to go on like this. Goes on through this way. The problem is the bottom exhaust is in the way, and there's no way to motion it to get it on there. So looks like probably have to take off part of the exhaust to get it on there. So let me go ahead and do that. Yeah, so it tucked on behind there just fine. What I would suggest is just kind of put it on there loosely, so you can get this top piece in. And hopefully I can do it with the exhaust right there. We shall see. I think they gave, what I did is I kept this bolt here that was on there, and so I'm gonna have an extra bolt for that. But well, good thing I have an extra bolt. Try to dangle it in there. Problem is I don't want to take the whole exhaust off the headers. So you gotta kind of trick it in there. Y'all, this might be way easier with 2 people. Alright y'all, what I had to end up doing is getting some needle nose and start threading and kind of just cranking it down like this. And I think I'll have a small enough tool maybe to get in there to really tighten it down. But I didn't want to have to go take this whole header off and heat shield and all that, so just ended up doing that. So I got that top piece on, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the bottom, and then I think we're good to put on the plastic peg thingies. So wasn't that hard of an install, just kind of annoying taking off the exhaust and then this bracket. And like I said, I don't know if this bracket here is just for my slip-on exhaust. I think it is, so it's probably not going to be everyone's issue. But yeah, let me get the pegs on. Alright, now this is the only part left. Got the big bolt, and you just drop it right on down in there. Well, should be that easy. Boom, comes out there, and then they just screw into this little part right up here. Done. And just like that.